Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the head of international development of Braiden consulting law firm. Today we're going to talk with our international lawyer Peter about registering a new company in Russia. Hello Peter.
Hello Michael.
Okay, Peter, please tell us what is the most popular form of doing business in Russia and why?
The most popular form of doing business in Russia is limited liability company.
Okay.
It's both easy to establish such company and it's easy to manage the company.
Right.
And it has other advantages, let's say, to sole entrepreneurship status of citizens.
Mm-hmm.
Because if entrepreneur has debts, it could be satisfied from his private property.
Yeah.
While the responsibility of members of the LLC just limited by their shares. And you always can sell your LLC, whether it is successful business or it is almost bankrupt.
Okay, so Peter, please tell me, is it easy to create an LLC and who can do it?
Yes, Michael, it's relatively easy. You need 1 up to 50 members.
Mm-hmm.
It can be individuals or it can be legal entities. It can be Russian citizens or foreign citizens or even stateless people. And also it could be foreign Russian companies. There is limitations that an LLC cannot be established by another company which has only one member, another company in its turn.
Right. Well, sounds not overcomplicated. What about the property of the LLC? Is there any minimum amount of the authorized capital?
Yes, indeed, there is a minimum amount of the authorized capital,
Mm-hmm.
and it is 10,000 rubles.
Okay.
That amount of money shall be deposited on the bank account of the company. Other parts of the authorized capital that exceed this 10,000 ruble
Mm-hmm.
can be paid by the members in securities, rights, property, and the maximum amount isn't limited by the law, but you should keep in mind that the company shall have assets not less than its authorized capital. And certain companies that carry out licensed
Mm-hmm.
activities shall meet higher requirements. For example, banks shall have at least 1 billion rubles of authorized capital.
Okay, let's imagine that we have eligible founders and a startup capital. So what steps shall be done in order to have a new LLC registered?
Well, first you need to collect or draw up needed documents and submit them with the application to the register office of the Federal Tax Service.
Yeah.
So what documents do you need? You need documents on the address that back up that you have rights to locate your office on a certain address.
Right.
Second, you need constituent documents such as charter, memorandum of association, and decision appointing the executive body. Having collected all these documents, you can fill in the form of application and submit all the package of documents to the register office. And within 3 days, you will get your registration documents on the LLC.
Peter, thank you so much for this important information.
You're welcome.
And I would like to thank you for watching us and stay tuned to Braiden Consulting YouTube channel.